In this video, I'm going to show you how to change Squad and Squad Busters. Get started, the first thing that you will need to do is to open Squad Busters. Now, once you're on the application, just go ahead and set up your account. Go ahead and claim the unclaimed rewards on your account once you're signed in to your account. This will allow you to never miss a freebie on the platform. Keeping updated with the latest and claiming your daily freebies is essential to be able to keep your account updated and progressive. Now go ahead and click on the play button. In this section, you'll be able to find squad that you can use once you enter the match. In the present, there's no option for you to change your squad. What you can do to change it is to just restart the application on your device and reopen Squad Busters. That will allow you to have a different squad on Squad Busters when you click on the play button again. And that's the only way for you to change squad in Squad Busters. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.